guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Tayo ngayon ay magluluto ng fried rice na naman. It's kinda Hawaiian fried rice. Les amis, on va cuisiner riz frites avec l'ananas. Ici, notre ingredients, il y a riz ici. So, déjà cuit c'est riz. Il y a du bacon. Di sana na kijikop dija mais pas beaucoup parce que mon mari elle n'aime pas repas sucré. On a ici des laitue puis des carottes. So we have here carrots, garlic, a lot lettuce, pineapple, bacon, and our rice. So that's our ingredients. And I'm gonna fry the garlic now. So it's like a very quick recipe of fried rice. Les amis, c'est just très rapide. Refrit rapide, cette recette. So our garlic are here already. I'm gonna fry that one until golden brown and then I will remove. So notre l'ail sont ici jusqu'à durer je vais enlever ça. So guys, here's our garlic dory. L'ail déjà dory. Garlic dory. Dory is golden brown and l'ail is garlic. So les amis, voilà notre l'ail dory. Okay. Puis c'est ça les amis, j'ai coupé beaucoup de carottes parce que mon mari m'a dit que elle aime plain carrot, beaucoup de carottes. And my husband asked me if I can put a lot of carrots to our fried rice, so that's why there's a lot of carrots. Normally, there's only little carrots in our fried rice. Normalement, les amis, les refrites sont just un peu de carottes, mais mon mari m'a demandé ajoute beaucoup de carottes, alors c'est ça, on va ajouter beaucoup de carottes. So guys, now this is the pan that I used for frying our bacon. So we will just preheat that one and we will add next our rice. So guys, our pan is already warm. We will now put our rice. And as you can see guys, our rice is already there. And you know what? The time is 8:45. So like we're cooking this one for 5 minutes. So a little oil is correct. And then we will add our carrots to that. As you can see, there's a lot of carrots. And then we will just cover. So guys, twist here. It's almost done. Then we will add some soy sauce. Okay, we will add our 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then we will add our 1 teaspoon of sugar. That is maple sugar I'm using. On ajoute des soya et de sucre d'érable, les amis. Parce que c'est presque prêt. Notre carotte est presque cuite. Après ça, on ajoute tout ça, du bacon et de l'ail doré. Et on mélange tout ça. Et regarde les amis, le temps c'est 8h50, ok? Puis l'ananas, puis the lettuce and the pineapple, we will add that last. Et maintenant les amis, on ajoute les ananas. We will add our pineapple. Actually, I off already the heat. So we add our pineapple and the lettuce. And we will remove the pan. We will put it here. Voilà les amis. C'est fini. It's done recipe. Thank you for your support, my friend. Thank you for watching. If you like, please share and subscribe. I hope you will try this kind of recipe. Just create something different to the basic fried rice like that. And whatever you want to put, just try like creating something into your recipe. So our fried rice is done. It's looking yummy. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Have a good night all, and God bless us all. Thank you so much.